So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be doing the first ever Samsung A52 update, and then I will be telling about its new improvements. And let's try to hit 100 likes in this video, and with that being said, let's get started. So as you can see, when I scroll, I have got the update notification. So let me click on it, and once you are in this, you can see that this update is a very big one. It's around 739 megabytes. So with this update you get the new security patch, then your device stability will be improved, which includes bugs and fixes also, new enhanced features and furthermore improvements. So let me go ahead and install it. So the update has been successfully installed. Let me go ahead and unlock my phone. And if you haven't watched the unboxing of the Galaxy A52, I'll make sure I put the card on top and as well as the link in the description. After this, make sure you go and watch that too. So finally the phone has loaded up, and in the notification panel the Android system is finishing the update. Let's just wait till that is done. So finally the phone has been fully updated with the latest security patch and more improvements. So once everything is done, you'll be getting a prompt which says your phone has been updated. Just head on and click OK. And my phone is set to 90Hz refresh rate, and upon scrolling and navigating here and there, just swiping up, the phone is pretty smooth. There aren't any lags or any issues. By swiping, scrolling and doing general stuff, I can just tell that there is a slight improvement in it. I don't know whether it's a mentality or an improvement, but overall it's buttery smooth, and that is what you expect in a 90Hz refresh rate screen. So let's go to the settings and check on the security patch date. So we are running on the One UI 3.1 with the Android 11 version. So let's scroll and check our security patch date level, and wow, it's the new April 1. It's really good to have the latest security patch level, and previously we had the February one which was kinda outdated, and now we have the latest patch level, and I see some other significant improvements in the phone as well. So without wasting any time, go ahead and get your phone updated. So hope you all love this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and as always, see you guys in the next one.